Hi everyone and welcome again to our Certified Information System Security Professional, and now we'll be doing compliance testing. So let's go with our first exercise: install and configure WSUS. So Windows Server Update Services provides cost-effective patch management solution to deploy updates to domain join Windows servers and workstation in a corporate network. WSUS is fully integrated in Windows Server 2012 and can be enabled on Windows clients by configuring settings in the group policy object. So let's go configure the disk storage for WSUS. So let's go with our PWBC01, and in our server manager, click tools. Where's the tools? Server manager, click tools. There we go. There the tools. Computer management. Next, let's click disk management, disk zero, right click, then shrink volume, and then the number of space we shrink, let's set this to 10,000. Then press shrink. Okay. And then on our unallocated disk, right click, new simple volume, click next, next, click next, volume level as WSUS update, click next, finish, and there we go. Close. And let's ignore formatting the disk. So let's install and configure WSUS. So going to our Minimus one, go to our, let's install Windows Server Update Services. So right click, oh no, click, then PowerShell, PowerShell. Then let's add this command. Okay, let's wait. And there we go. Next one is to do the registry add, and we'll be uh, doing this command. There we go, and successful. And then next is to do shutdown dash R space dash T zero, and it will restart. And let's wait until we connect to our labs again. Okay, let's reconnect to our, there we go. And we have now successfully connected and it will open Server Manager. Again, going to our Server Manager, let's click Tools, Windows, Windows Server Update Services, and then let's click Store Updates Locally, Browse, this PC, select our WSUS update, okay, run, then Tools, WSUS, Locally, Browse, this PC, please WSUS updates, run, and there we go. Click Close, and we'll see we have an exclamation mark, indicates that we need to have, there we go. Then let's click this one to launch post installation. Okay. So let's go back again to our WSUS. Okay. Okay. Again, going here, let's press next. Click yes. I would like to join next. Select our upstream server. Synchronize, click yes. Proxy, say yes. Then proxy name, proxy, port 8080, click next. Then connect to upstream, start connecting, and let's wait. This will be take longer, so let's wait for it to be finished. and we have our error here. So let's start connecting again. again. Let's start reconnecting again. Let's check the details first. Mm, okay. Okay. It looks like that our synchronization from Microsoft servers are not working because the life support of Windows Server 2012 has been ended since last year. So we need to skip our Windows Server update services right here. Okay. Next is to WSO Server Certificate Security. So security for certificates is a critical component to making sure information is kept confidential and we understand who has delivered said information, thereby confirming the integrity of not only the data but also the sender. So let's start with our enabling SSL for WSO server. So going back to our PLAB BC01 server management, server manager dashboard, tools, internet internet information services manager, click this PLAB, expand this, click this one, and then let's go to server certificates. There we go, server certificates. On the actions page, open feature. Again here, let's create a self-signed certificate. Specify will be PLAB DC01 WSUS personal, okay. Then go back on the site. So let's go back here. Go to sites. Okay. Expand this one. Sites, WSUS administration. Click bindings. Right click, bindings. Set HTTPS, edit, and then let's set the host name for our PLAB DC01. The certificate will be this WSUS. Okay. Then close. After that, going back to our ISS manager, click the resource administration, right click, open feature, click require SSL, then apply. After that, let's go back to our PLAB BC01, go to server certificates, Right click, open feature, then to our certificates, right click, click, then view, and let's go to details, copy to file, next, export, yes, export, next, then click next, security, confirm the password, use the password capital PASSW0RD, PASSW0RD, click next, the file name, let's copy this one, next, click OK, it's finish, OK, and OK. Then we can upload this one. So let's go configure them into the Trust Self Certificate. So going back again to our PLAB DC01, Server Manager, Tools, Group Policy Management, expand our forest of practicelabs.com, expand our domains, okay, then right click on default domain policy, edit, then in the Group Policy Manager, computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, security settings, in the security settings, public key settings, public key policy, sorry, trusted root certification authorities. Right click, import, then next, then our file name, let's say state our file name here. Click next, our password will be capital PASSW0RD. Next, in the certificate store, click next, finish, then OK. Now the self-signed certificate is added now. Next, let's create computer groups for Windows Service Updates, WSUS. So computer groups enable us to target computers to specific computers and can allow specific updates to be applied to a specific computers in a granular fashion. This significantly speeds up the computer administration process and improve security by allowing for the mass deployment of security patches of all affected machines in a one movement. So let's go create a computer group. So going back to our PLAB DC01, okay, tools, Windows Server Update Services. Let's refresh our services. Refresh. Okay, let's go to action to connect to server. Our server name will be this one. Reset layer, yes, connect. And we are now connected. So let's expand this PLAB DC01. Then expand computers. Right click on all computers. Add computer group. Let's name this as engineering. Click add. And let's go back and we will redirect out to the update services. Let's go to the options. Select computers. On the computer's dialog box, let's select users group policy, register settings, click OK. And then there we go. So next one is to approve downloaded updates. So going back to our DC01, right click on our PLAB DC, then, sorry, on our center pane on the to do section, click this, okay. So then it's try to, okay. In this task too, we can do the approve downloaded updates because our upstream server is offline because Windows Server 2012 has been in end of life and we cannot do this task. So let's just continue. So let's configure our GPO policy. So let's go create a GPO update services client. So on our DC again, server manager, click tools, Active Directory, computer directory users and computers. Let's wait. There we go. Right click on practicelabs.com. Let's create new organizational unit. Let's name this one as WSUS Alliance. Click OK. After that, go to the computer container here. Go to computer, select okay. Right click on PLAB Win 0801. Right click. There we go. Click move. Let's move to WSUS clients. Click OK. And WOSUS clients. Verify. Then we can now close this one. Next, let's go from server manager tools. Group policy management. Right click on the OSUS clients, WSUS clients, create the GPO in this domain, click it here. Let's name this WSUS updates. Click OK. Expand. WSUS updates. Right click. Then edit. After that, let's go to computer configuration, policies, administrative templates, Windows components, Windows update. Right click on the details pane. Let's go configure automatic updates. Right click, edit, set this one to enable, set this for as 4 every day at 3 o'clock. Click OK. After that, going back to our group policy management, specify internet parameters of update location. Right click, edit, enable, and let's set our PLAB PC to receive updates, both of them. Click OK. And then back again in our group policy management editor, automatic updates detection frequency. Let's edit this one. Enabled. Let's set to 12. Click enter. Next, again going back to enable client side. Next one, enable client side. Right click, edit, name, target group name. Let's set this as engineering. Let's enter. After defining in the GPO, let's close this one and this one. And then let's troubleshoot password and verify WSUS client functionality. Since we have edited the group policy, it might cross a relationship error between PLAB Win 801 and the domain controller. So let's go again. So let's go to our PLAB Win 801. Okay. So let's turn off this one and reconnect to our server. So administrator, SSW0IP. After that, click on File Explorer. Let's set PowerShell. Right click, run as administrator. Yes. Then let's reset our user account. Let's reset our password. So anyways, reset dash computer password dash server PLAB PC01 dash credential practice labs backslash administrator. Then our password will occur. Insert the password. Let's wait. So while we are doing that, let's go again to our start CMD, right click, run as administrator. Yes. Then next is this one, GPU update, GPU update slash course, GPU update course. Okay. Next, WU AUCLT slash register now now shutdown slash r slash 20. Okay, let's try to reconnect here. Okay, again, going back again on the start icon, right click, control panel, then go to system security, Windows update, Windows update, then let's try to check for updates. So on our change settings, you can see here that the updates are receiving from our by managed by our system administrator. So that's all for our configuring compliance patching. So we have learned how to configure WSUS, create certificate security, computer groups, and configure group policy. So that's it, guys, for our compliance settings, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye and thank you.